This video only for Namecheap beginners because in this video I'll show you how to log in your Cpanel using Namecheap account and how to create a subdomain and how to connect your Namecheap account into Cpanel and how to install Namecheap free SSL in your subdomain, how to install WordPress in your subdomain. And if you want to add any kind of add-on domain, you will learn if you watch this full video. So let's get started. Disclaimer, because this is not my account, this is my client's account and I'm just showing you like how to do this. So I already log in this account, and if you log in your Namecheap account, you will get something like this, and here your purchase domain and hosting. Basically this icon for your like hosting, and this is your domain. So if you want to connect your domain into your web hosting like Namecheap hosting, it's very simple. So click on this manage option. Like if this is your domain, so simply click on this manage option. So here as you can see this domain and here the name server. So here you just need to set up this, and you just need to change it to like Namecheap web hosting DNS. Just set up that thing. So when you set up this cannot do this, or if you not understand that thing like how to do this or how we can do this, so you can simply click on this chat with a live person. So you can tell them like about your problem, what you want to do, and just if you want to connect your domain into hosting, so simply click on this hosting support, and here just click on this live chat support, then you can contact with them. Okay, so now I just click on this, I just hover on this icon or click on this icon like hosting icon, and then just click on this go to Cpanel. Now I just log in my Cpanel, and basically this is Cpanel. That means this is our website, our web hosting control panel, not my website control panel. This is our hosting control panel. Okay, basically Namecheap hosting offer you they can access you to add 3 add-on domain. That means you can add total 3 domains. So if you don't know like about what is domain and what is hosting, so basically in this name or like facebook.com, google.com, youtube.com, basically this is our domain. So and other used photo in the website, used photo and other content are located in their hosting. So I hope you understand that about like what is domain and hosting. So here I just want to add, or I just want to create a subdomain of here. So simply just click on this subdomain button. So when you click on this subdomain button, just here as you can see, just you need to input here your subdomain name. So which type of name you want to add. If you notice that thing, so chrome.google.com, drive.google.com, something like this is on a subdomain. Okay, so I just want to add here like test, basically this video for testing purpose. Okay, so I just add a test, and then as you can see this is documentation root. That means when I create this domain subdomain, when I create this and when I use some photos and some other code, and when I install it in WordPress, all data are located in this documentation root. All the data will located in this root. Okay, so if you do not understand that thing, so please watch this full video, then you will understand how this work, like how work this documentation root. So I just click on this create button. So as you can see, I already created this this subdomain, and it's, if you notice this, it's not live, and we need to set up here the HTTP like that means we just need to add here the positive SSL. So as you can see this website not live now, so I just need to go to this option, just click on this and click on this Namecheap SSL option. And when you click on this Namecheap SSL, then you'll got like this type of option. So just you need to add your Cpanel. That means you just need to connect your Cpanel into your Namecheap account. So if you connect this, you can get 50 free SSL. Okay, so I just click on this sign in option, and I just simply click on this allow, and I just click on this via with Namecheap SSL. So simply click on this, then you'll see our new website SSL is now in process. So here as you can see on a pop-up, please allow up to 25 minutes for SSL activation. Okay, so just we need to wait for 25 minutes, at least 25 minutes. Okay, so now I'm just telling about like other feature and your name, like a Namecheap Cpanel, other features. So here some option like Google Apps and Namecheap SSL, soft callers, apps installer, code guard, select PHP version, and here the website builder, contact support, and Namecheap knowledge base, and like manage shell. So here the file. So if the file option, this is very important option for your like a website. So if you go to this, then you will see this is our documentation route. So if I add, okay, so when I install WordPress, then I will show you about like this, and you will understand like how to work this. Okay, so as you can see here, I can see here the total subdomain. I can create up to 30. I can create 30 subdomain, and here the MySQL database. If you don't know about like MySQL database, it's a storage your user data, like your user password, your user username, email, everything are storage in this MySQL database. Every other information are located or storage in MySQL database, and every file is, that means your website, all file are located or storage this file manager. Okay, here the directory privacy, disk use, and web disk, and every other some tools. So we don't need this. And here the another important thing is PHP MyAdmin. It's a very important thing, and it's very important for every website, because if you forget your website username, like if you forget your website password or username or email account, or you just need to change your website username or email forcefully, so you can use this like PHP MyAdmin. That means that time these are help you to forcefully change that thing. So suppose you forget your WordPress website password, so then what will you do? You just need to go to this, you just log in your Cpanel, and you just log in your like PHP MyAdmin, and just you need to find out this row and column, and you need to change this. So if you change this, you can log in your WordPress admin panel. Okay, so here this is not important. Here the important thing is add-on domain and subdomains. This is very important. And if you notice this database, this is important, and another is this is important, because if you want to create any new MySQL database, just you need to go to this MySQL database, and you can easily create any kind of like any new create database. You can do this. So here, and the important thing, that is email account. So if you notice that thing, if you create an account in a website, and they will send you an activation mail, and this mail support like support@google.com or support@youtube.com, something like. If you want to create your own branding email, you can easily use this email account. So let me show you how you can do this. Here the autoresponder option, this is the main autoresponder option. That means if you send a mail in YouTube or Google, they will automatically like send a reply email, thanks for submit an email, or thanks for submit, and something like this. So this email coming, or this email or this system working on like this autoresponder system. So here the like this forwards and the default address, some other options. So I think this is mail account, and autoresponder is very important for us. Okay, so how to create an email account, branding email account? So let's check it out. So click on this create account. I already click on this. First I click on this email account and click on this create account, and here as you can see our domain name. So if you add any other domain, so you can easily see this here. So I add only one domain, that's why I'm just doing like one domain of here. So here the username, I just add here support @ this website name. And if you want to add any kind of password, so you can easily add the password. I just add here and a password. I add an alternative password, and here the storage space, how much space you want to use, and I just click on this create button. So now our email are created successfully done. So as you can see, this is now successfully done. So I hope you can so here are the some option like manage option. So here lots of option about like SMTP system. So if you don't know about like SMTP, so you can search in Google like SMTP system. Okay, so just search in email as SMTP, just okay. So here autoresponder system. So here the some option like visitor and bandwidth and other options. So if you want to install your WordPress, okay, so first like check it out, so how it's going. So go to my again Namecheap SSL and click on Via. Okay, so as you can see it's now activated, and if I notice that if you go to my website, then you'll see it's now blank. So now install any WordPress in your new website. So go to your this here the subclass apps installer and click on this WordPress. So here the install options. So if you want to install any other thing, other PHP script, you can do this. I just click on this install because I want to install here WordPress. So I just select here just choose version. So always try to use the latest version, like latest version software, like latest version of software. And here you need just choose your domain name. I just select here my domain name, and here you can add here your website name and here your site description. And here just you need to input here your admin username. I just input here my name, MD as usual, and here the password, so admin password. So I just copy the password. So you can add in a custom password, so don't worry about this. So you can add any custom password from in this website. Okay, so here your email account. So try to use your own email account or your branding email account as you wish. You can use this. So click on this. When it's done, just click on this install button. It's so it's now checking the submitting data. This may be 3 or 4 minutes. So this will not take 3 or 4 minutes. It's just taken to 30 seconds to 35 seconds, and when it's done. Alright, so now our website is now live. If I go to this domain, and this is our admin panel, and this is our like main domain. That means as a user they will see like our website something like this. And if you want to change your website data, or if you want to change the website theme and plugin and etc, you can change by going to this admin URL. So if you want to go to your admin URL, it's very simple. Just here your domain name and /wp_admin. Input like this. Just input wp admin and click on enter. Then you will automatically redirect your admin panel. And first time it's login without any password. So second time, or if you want to try into another browser, they will ask an username and password. So if you use wrong username and password, they will block you. And then when they will block your IP address, you cannot use like in 12 hour, or you cannot log in your admin panel in 12 hours. So I don't know how much the time. So here just you need to input your username and input your password. So here the all option are present here. That means you can do anything as your mind. So if you want to add any kind of new theme, or if you want to add any new plugin, or if you want to add a user, so everything you can do this. So here the lots of free theme, just simply click on this add new, and here the lots of free plugin you can use. The lots of free plugins are present here, and the lots of free theme. I hope you guys understand about like this, like about Namecheap, about like everything. So now I just go to again my Cpanel to show my like file directory. I already told about file manager. So I go to this file manager and go to this domain like this route, and then you'll see here the lots of code and lots of PHP codes. Basically this is a website code, and everything are present up there. Okay, so if I uploaded any kind of in a photo or video, it's automatically located in this link. Okay, this file manager or this directory. And one thing is, this is your website front end. That means as a user they can see like this type of website. And if you want to control, or if you want to change anything else in your website, you just need to go to your admin panel. Which you change your admin panel, it's automatically show in this your front end. That means one website have two things, one is front end and back end. Okay, and if you don't know about like WordPress theme or WordPress plugin, so WordPress theme is like a design, your website design, and if you want to do your life, it's very easy. So you need to install plugin. So if you want to learn more about like WordPress, so please subscribe my channel. So if you subscribe my channel, in later I will show you like how to design in a website, or how to create in a website, and how to earn money for selling in a website, and how. Alright, so if you want to uninstall WordPress from your Cpanel, so how you can uninstall WordPress and how to remove your domain, okay, how to clean this. So I just go to here like our Cpanel, and I scroll down and click on this WordPress option. Alright, so as you can see here, I've already installed my WordPress in this domain. So I just click on this cross button to uninstall that thing. So I just click cross and click on this remove and click on this OK button, and it's automatically done to close. And now I want to remove this subdomain. So I just click on the subdomain option and go to here, and here as you can see the subdomain are present here, and the documentation root, and here I want to remove that thing. I just click on this subdomain. Okay, as you can see my subdomain successfully removed. So if I go back, and then you'll see they are not subdomain, and I've already uninstalled that thing. Okay, so I hope guys you understand that thing, let's get started. If you like this video, so please click on this like button, and if you're new here on my channel, so please consider and subscribe. Thank you.